E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixa um like, não vai custar nada. Compartilhe o vídeo, participem da comunidade do Discord. E quem quiser apoiar o canal, link aí na descrição também abaixo aí. Vamos continuar hoje as aventuras de Arthur Morgan, galera. Da última parte que a gente parou no modo história. Peço para quem estiver acompanhando aí, deixe um like. E o pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch aí, anote meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom, galera, hoje na última parte a gente salvou o resgate do Sam, né? Hoje não vai continuar o modo história. Sam McCurry. A gente salvou ele, é isso mesmo. Enquanto o jogo carrega aqui, a gente parou num ponto crítico do ponto história principal. Vamos continuar aqui, da onde que nós parou o ponto história. Vamos ver aqui da onde que nós vai continuar. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Nós estamos aqui em Valentine, com Arthur Morgan. Primeiro, vamos acabar de cobrar a agiotagem aqui das vítimas. Lilly Millet.
No need to check on me,
You've
mister.
got some real
I'm still
sand
here.
come back here. I got my eye
You
on
might
you.
be a bloodthirsty monster,
Essa
Mr.
última senhora
Sloan.
nós
I kinda got a soft
Nós
spot
mexemos
for
com
you.
ela na última
If that soft
parte.
spot don't extend to breaking me out of this joint, well, you know what you can do with it?
Fair enough.
O nosso pangaré aqui, é isso.
Hey, good-looking horse there. If you want me to keep that overnight,
gerenciar
there's
seus
room in the
cavalos.
stable.
Tenho dois, né? Deixa eu ver aqui. Provisões para cavalos. Comprar
Sounds
uns.
good.
Ah, é. Ativar o salvamento automático.
Always good to have this at the ready. Bring that horse back if you need anything.
Out of the way! Hey, mister.
O que tá acontecendo aqui?
Justice
Xerife?
will be served in this town today. You took 3 innocent lives, and for that, the law demands that you shall pay with your own.
Please, God, no!
Please,
No!
please let him go.
Do you have any last words before you meet your judgment?
Seu julgamento?
Baby!
Give him hell!
Ah, mataram um bandido.
Detritus like this in our community. Justice prevail today.
Don't you look at him,
Pessoa
boy.
desconhecida.
Just run home.
Filho? Nossa.
Hi there, mister. Hey there. That ain't good enough.
Hello.
Hello to you. Again. He got what he deserved.
Guess it's up to the son now. Fear breaks my heart.
They'll give anyone a badge these days, won't they?
I don't think you understand who I am, boy.
Calm down.
Ah, xerife, você vai tomar um tiro.
Get away from the gallows, you hear?
All right, cool your spurs.
Vamos lá, cavalo.
Come on, boy.
Vamos lá, canário.
You're okay, boy.
Yeah.
Move!
Opa! Tá ficando caminho correto, rapaz. Temos novas plantas aqui.
Hey, partner.
Hey, partner.
Yeah.
Hey! Hold up a second.
Ei!
Slow up now.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Yep. You're okay, boy.
You boy.
Hey, mister, can I have a word?
Procure a Lilly Millet no Rancho Emerald. Uma vaca, vamos desenhar lá. Vaca florida.
Lilly Millet. Where can I find her?
Not sure, but I think I saw her with Cooper earlier.
Come on now. Take it easy there.
Morning.
Excuse me, partner. The ranch maid, Miss Millet. You know where I could find
A
her?
governador do rancho.
No.
Lilly Millet. She's a ranch maid here. You know where she is?
Nuh-uh.
I need to find a ranch maid here called Lilly Millet. You know where she is?
You deaf or just stupid? Get the hell out of here.
Mangy mutt.
Vamos lá, senhorita Miller.
Miss Millet, the ranch maid. You know where I can find her?
I don't know.
You know where Lilly Millet is?
Nah.
Lilly Millet, you know where she is?
All right, it's time for you to go now.
Okay.
See you around.
Hello, boy. Hey, cat.
Cat, cachorro, gato também.
Lilly? Just over there by the store with Cooper.
Okay, then.
Goodbye.
Hey there, mister.
Bird-brained son of a gun.
Senhorita Miller.
Scoot, boy. Easy. Stupid mutt.
Senhorita Miller tá aqui então. O Rancho Emerald.
Any idea of the hole I'm
Oh,
in?
come on! Why's it always gotta be such a goddamn performance with you? Now, I told you I'd get you the money next week, and I'll get it.
If you didn't make it this week, who's to say you'll make it next?
Don't you take that tone with me. I thought you said
Fala
you
consigo assim comigo, ó.
Do, but what I get paid ain't enough for one person, let alone two. Your money's gotta be your problem now.
The only problem I got is this bleating going on in my ear. Now lay off it, Lilly. God damn it.
Lilly. Where's
Lilly.
our money?
Onde tá o nosso dinheiro?
That loan you took. It's payday.
Oh, não, onde
I'm
ficou?
sorry, I don't have it right
Lamento.
now.
Well,
Não tenho dinheiro agora.
I guess we got a big
Bom,
problem.
então a gente tá com pai de um
Give
problema.
him what you've got.
I ain't giving
Dá
him
pra ele o que ele
nothing
tem aí.
except a
Não tô.
lesson.
Puta,
Damn
só uma lição.
bitch!
You don't have to do this. Stop it, both of you.
That had to hurt.
All right. He has all my money. I gave it all to him. Just take everything that you find on him and let's be done with this, please.
Pega o dinheiro do Cooper.
Leave me alone, won't you?
Hey,
You
know what
got
I did to
this.
thieves? Law here about this.
I didn't steal that. It's a debt. Damn it.
Ain't my concern. No, sir.
Uma dívida resgatada, seu desgraçado. Vai denunciar eu? Quem mandou abrir o bico? Povo dedo duro, rapaz, que abre o bico. Vamos ver aqui onde que eu tô. Onde que eu tô indo?
Will you quit with that damn Mexican guard?
Easy, easy.
Oh, por favor, necesito ayuda. Help!
Be clear, we got a dangerous foreigner here!
¡Va a matar a ustedes dos!
Hey,
Before he gets to her.
¡Te lo dije! Hey, shoot the lock! Get me out of here, por favor. Sí, muy bien.
Muito bem, eu ajudei ela.
Muchas gracias. Thank you.
E aí, só isso?
Yep. Slow it up. Easy.
Acabar com o seu sofrimento, bichinho.
Okay, boy.
Galera, hoje nós vai pra Blackwater resgatar lá o Micah. Fazer a missão principal hoje. Mas primeiro tem que... Tem que ir aqui, ó. Acampamento Mirante.
Yep. we go.
Opa, um gavião. Gavião ferrugem.
All right, boy. Yep.
Eu preciso aumentar o nível no olho da morte.
Hey there.
Do Arthur.
Yeah.
É, a distância a cavalo é melhor assim, demora às vezes.
Yep.
Lilly Millet, a gente cobrou a dívida.
Yeah. My lady. Bill.
Pô, tem a missão de caça, né, do Charles.
They alert there, Javier.
Hello, Arthur.
I got these for you.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, Arthur.
Thank you, Mr. Williamson.
I got all the fish you fools is about to eat. I did my bit, Arthur.
Thank you, Bill.
I thanked you already. Wasn't that loud enough?
Ó, o Bill trouxe um peixe pro acampamento.
Haven't received anything from you in a while, Mr. Morgan.
Yeah, I hear you.
Many thanks. Thank you, Arthur.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Thank you.
Don't worry about it, Reverend.
I made a fool of myself again.
We've all
Tá,
done
tá,
that,
tá.
Reverend.
Bitterly ashamed. Really, I am.
There he is.
Why don't you take the weight off English?
Hello, Arthur.
Dutch. What is it, Arthur?
Looks like a good book there.
Very enjoyable.
Well, I'll leave you to it.
Whatever you say.
Não vou te atrapalhar. É, pagar, dar duas das dívidas.
Hello, Mr. Morgan.
A comutação vai aumentar do Dutch, óbvio. A comutação do Dutch foi aprimorada. Outros membros da cabana ficarão inspirados em contribuir mais. Ó, ficou melhorada mesmo. Ok, check. Vamos fazer essa missão opcional aqui do Charles.
What you preparing for?
Greatest of gifts.
Pro maior dos presentes.
No, you simple-minded fool.
Não, seu simplório.
Bison.
Bison?
Bison.
Visão,
How much you can get
bison.
anything? There's some over on the plains, I believe. I saw a couple a long way off.
Good luck.
You want to come with me? I'll show you how we hunt one.
Sure. Why not?
Cara, por que não? Eu vou caçar junto com você, Charles.
Mount up then. Let's go. You know, it was before my time, of course, but
Cara, mas minha mãe costumava me contar histórias.
our tribe moved with the bison. They lived almost as one. The bison went, my people went.
Os pisões,
They were the center of all life. We couldn't survive without them. They provided us with everything. Food, clothing, shelter, tools. There was a lot of
Xavier tá de guarda.
I don't remember much of my childhood, but I think my people, well, we pretty much moved with the whiskey.
Well, my father did that too. Let's try over here, to the left.
Vamos lá, Charles.
Over there. You see them all? Incredible, aren't they? We should only kill one of them. I'll keep them ringed in and you see if you can bring one down. Okay? Clean as you can.
Okay.
Easy now. Well done. All right. Skin and butcher it. Take the horns too. It can all be used.
Vamos esfolar o bichão aqui. Opa. Uma fêmea grande.
Good job. Throw that on your horse and mount up. I wanna go check something out.
Okay, let's go.
Ok, let's go. Pera aí.
Where are we going?
I thought I saw some scavenger birds over here. Just wanted to see what attracted them.
Charles Smith.
No. Look.
Oh não, bisões mortos.
Shot and left for dead, it looks like.
Why would someone do that?
I don't know. But I see tracks heading in this I say we follow him.
All right, lead the way. Could it have been an animal?
No, they've been shot.
Não,
Just don't know why
eles foram
anybody
mortos
would
a
just
tiros.
leave them here to rot like that.
Caçadores invulneráveis.
Look, another dead bison. On that hill to the right. Come on. Shot and left for dead again. But this one looks fresher.
There's a camp there. I'm gonna take a look. Easy, big man. What a damn waste.
You find anything, Arthur?
Visão morto. Shine.
Dogs haven't gone cold yet. Maybe half a day since they left.
Bison's been dead about the same
É
amount of
dia.
time.
So what do you want to do?
They could still be in the area. Let's get up higher. See if we spot anything.
Vamos subir atrás dos caçadores então, Charles.
This way. We should have a good view from up here. Okay. You see anything? Arthur, look. Smoke to the north.
Fumaça ao
Another
norte.
camp.
Let's go check it out.
Bastards. Just killing for fun.
Think we can talk?
Matando por
I
diversão.
don't kill for fun. I kill when I need to. Look, more dead bison. It has to be them. Come on.
Wait
Mais
up.
bisões mortos.
Yeah.
Did you fools shoot those bison?
What's your problem?
I said, did you fools shoot those bison?
Calm down, you black or red bastard, whatever the fuck you are.
Did you shoot them?
Yes, we did. We shot them bison, we'll shoot you too if you don't get.
What business is it of yours? What? We...
It's that business of
Nossa!
Good God, you're crazy! I got a family. A family. Don't shoot!
Stand back, Charles. I'll get you some answers.
What the hell are you doing?
Why are you killing those bison and leaving them to rot?
I don't know what you're talking about.
God damn it, tell us and you're dead.
Oh, okay. We were paid to kill as many as we
Pagar gente pra
could to
matar.
make it look like it was Indians.
Just kill him, Arthur.
No, please, don't kill me. I'm begging you.
Kill him. All right, now get out of here.
Just don't shoot me, mister. I got a family.
Then run away. Why did you do that?
He didn't need to die. Maybe he'll go tell his friends now what happens
Então,
to
o que
poachers.
acontece com caçadores clandestinos.
I'm heading back.
Okay. I'm gonna see if there's anything worth taking from their camp. I'll catch up with you later.
Mas fizeram isso pensando que foram uns índios, né? O Charles ficou bravo. Panfleto, faca envenenada. Legal. Faca de arremesso envenenada. Pela primeira vez eu vou poupar a vida do cara. Vou voltar pro acampamento. Dois caçadores clandestinos. Vamos lá, escureceu aqui em Red Dead 2. Next.
Work it out, Dutch. You always do.
Lloraba su prisión en una jaula de oro, pendiente de un
Ó, já vai
balcón.
cantando.
Una triste calandria
Na
lloraba
fogueira.
su prisión. Ay Dios, no hay remedio. Ay Dios, no hay piedad. Me robas el reposo. Y adiós tranquilidad. Hasta un gorrioncito amoroso la halló y dijo, mi bonita, te quiero mucho yo. Hasta un gorrioncito amoroso la halló y dijo, mi bonita, te quiero mucho yo.
Legal, cara.
Hay remedio, ay Dios, no hay piedad. Me robas el reposo y adiós tranquilidad. Y luego la calandria le dijo y le juró, me sacas de prisión, me voy contigo yo. Y luego la calandria le dijo y le juró, me sacas de prisión, me voy contigo yo.
Let's say it again.
Ay Dios, no hay remedio. Ay
Ladies?
Dios, no hay piedad.
How many of those
A
have you
Kiara tá
had?
bebendo cada vez mais.
You okay?
Mr. Arthur.
Hey, Pearson.
Hello, Arthur.
You feeling more settled here now?
Come, bustle, bustle, drink about, and let us merry be. Our can is full, we'll pump it out, and then all hands to see.
Look out, Marston.
Young miss at dancing school is taught the minuet to tread. Young miss at dancing school is taught the minuet to tread. But we go
Tá
better
cantando Senhor e
when we
Crucial.
brought our four-tack to Cat Head. But we go better when we brought our four-tack to Cat Head. Come bustle, bustle, drink about, and let us merry be. Our can is full, we'll pump it out, and then all hands to sea. When horn and hounds the forest rend, his pack the huntsman cheers. When horn and hounds the forest rend, his pack the huntsman cheers. As loud as halloo when we send a broad
Hosea.
Vamos dormir até de manhã.
Good morning, Arthur.
Parece que choveu aqui, ó. Encontrei um sujeito estranho que pensava ser um profeta sério.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Hello, Dutch.
Hey there.
Good morning, Arthur.
So, what's for dinner? Dysentery again?
I'm just minding my own business here.
Ó, o crime ensolarado.
Always good to see you.
Good morning.
Morning, Arthur.
All good, Charles?
Vou ficar perto do Charles aqui pra ver o que acontece.
You good there?
Of course. Why? Whole camp, and that's the spot you pick?
Ah, I'm sorry. I'm a bit distracted.
You are strange sometimes.
É, eu sou estranho.
Big, tough Charles.
Why do you bother with this nonsense?
Well, ain't actually that tough.
Why do you get like this?
I'm only joking with you.
Good. Hope that was fun for you.
My
How's it going?
mistake, Abigail.
Morning, Arthur.
Abigail.
Morning.
Hey.
Olha que da hora.
This is a little awkward. Why
Just leave her alone, Arthur.
I'm only kidding around.
Are you Jack's age? This ain't even worth the energy.
Arthur.
Morning. Hello. Snap out of it, girl.
Oh, o arco-íris, que bonito, cara.
There she is.
Morning.
Nossa, que bonito. Eu vou tirar foto, tá? Esperar 8 horas. Vamos lá pra cidade Strawberry conhecer. Depois, galera.
Morning to you.
Hi.
To carve a country from man's desire and not some old world juju.
O Dutch fica passando o dia lendo esse livro de Ever Miller, né?
When Wasn't that a beautiful fantasia, Arthur?
If you say so, Dutch.
Such a beautiful dream. So poorly rendered.
Oi! Hey,
Use a
Charles.
slug of whiskey in there.
You done acting out?
Maybe after lunch, hey?
You still glad you joined up with us?
Of course.
Well, we're glad to have you.
Yep.
Don't you overcook this now, Pearson. Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Mess with me before my morning coffee and I'll scratch your eye.
Good to know.
Lenny!
Galen.
Hello, Abigail.
Morning, Arthur.
Hello.
Morning, Arthur.
Hey.
Viu?
Morning, Arthur.
E aí, Roseia, tá vendo o quê?
Hosea, how are you?
Hello.
Olha o arco-íris, galera, que bonito. Preferencioso, bêbado como sempre.
All right.
Morning, Mr. Morgan.
Damn it, Pearson.
Appreciate a bit more space here.
Uhum.
You seem in a good mood.
How you doing?
I do?
Good, brother. How are you feeling?
Much better. Thought those mountains were gonna kill me. Seems I'll live a while yet.
Oh, I know.
Found a couple of things in town. Made us some money.
You always do.
Yes, I'm good at that.
I messed up in Blackwater.
This is a bit tight.
Oh, sorry. My
Goddamn fool
mind
out
was
of my
elsewhere.
Well, sometimes it's hard to tell.
We done that before.
Why are you doing this?
You'll get us out of this.
We are out of this. We need to keep out of it.
Look, I'm not getting dragged into this.
We need to make some money and find ourselves an escape route, same as usual. But we are making money. And we will find an escape. We are gonna be okay.
I agree. We'll get some big money and get lost.
Vamos ficar aqui enchendo o seu saco, Pearson.
Hello?
Come on now, Pearson.
Uhum.
Hi there. Watch yourself, Lenny. Hey, Lenny.
Bit of room would be nice, Arthur. Why do you get like this?
Take it easy. I'm just needling you.
I don't know why you do that stuff. I'll just ignore you then.
Look out, Lenny.
Hello.
Vamos para Strawberry. Hoje vai ser a missão principal Strawberry.
Well, the quality's a bit lacking. We won't get much for it.
Yep. Yeah.
Onde você vai, Pangaré?
Yep. Stay alert there, Javier.
Morning, Arthur.
Olha o arco-íris bonito.
Yeah.
Opa, tem uma missão aqui.
Slow up now.
Quem que é isso?
Do you smoke, sir?
Senhor fuma?
Perhaps not as
Cara,
much
mas
as
talvez
you.
não tanto quanto
No,
você.
no, don't worry about these. Actually, take
Fumar e
take a
outros
couple of packs.
passatempos.
Take a few.
Oh, thank you. What are all the cigarettes
obrigado.
for? Are you heading on a long journey or something?
No, nothing like that at all. I'm just interested in the cards.
Eu só estou interessado nas
Cigarette
cartas.
cards. Oh,
Tá
you got
bem.
me?
Yeah?
Well, get them out.
Tem
Let me take a
alguma
look.
coisa?
Come on.
A little picture card?
Yeah, I'll pay you a good price.
Tem algumas, olha lá.
Here.
Nothing I haven't got.
Há nenhuma que eu não
The value is in
tenha.
completing the set.
O valor está em
Sometimes I'll smoke
completar a
up to
coleção.
200
Às
cigarettes
vezes
in
eu
one
fumo
day,
até
just so I can keep
200
opening the
cigarros
packs.
num
I
único
wish I
só
could
porque
explain
eu
to you
adoro
the
abrir os
pleasure and the
pacotes.
pain I get out of
Ah,
collecting these
interessante.
babies.
Sure. It sounds,
Thrilling?
parece,
Yeah, it is. Not to mention the vast
é
amounts
isso.
of
Sem
life reaffirming
falar
cigarettes I get to
na
smoke.
revigorante quantidade de gás.
And the amount of money? A veritable fortune, sir.
Fortune?
Oh, sure.
Fortuna?
A complete set of any
Claro,
series
claro.
is worth a fortune. Yeah,
Olha,
look
tem
at this.
coleção de cigarros.
Gunslingers. Over here,
Toureiros.
circus freaks. Yes.
Reações de
Meow
circo.
meows of the desert. So rare.
I never knew.
Sure.
How much?
Ah, sure.
Well, it depends
Vale
on the
quanto?
rarity, sir.
Bom, depende da raridade, senhor.
Yeah. You know, if
Of
you ever get a
course.
complete set, I can take it off your
Então,
hands.
eu posso tirá-las de suas mãos.
A
Você me
fair
pagaria
price. Now you
uma
send
boa
them to me right
quantia.
here. Phineas T. Ramsbottom.
Quem é
At your
você?
service.
Phineas T. Ramsbottom. As
I
suas
gotta
ordens.
run. This is my train. Look me up, okay? Think about this
Phineas,
deal.
aí sim,
Only
hein?
a complete set. That's where the value lies.
É isso que tem valor, uma coleção completa. Cara, eu nunca completei essa missão de colecionar o cigarro. Phineas. Coleção de cartas, campeões mundiais. Phineas T. Ramsbottom, colecionador de cartas de cigarros. Legal, interessante. Vamos para Strawberry. Essa é a nova região aqui.
Stop right now. One more.
Oh não!
And I shoot you dead.
Easy now.
Uma arma de outro risco. Uma emboscada dos desgraçados. Olha ele aqui.
Whoa, back. All right, boy. Get up. Easy, easy.
Tem que limpar essa arma. É, vamos salvar o Micah. Pela primeira vez estamos indo na região de Strawberry.
Yep. Easy. Whoa.
Tem uma missão aqui, depois eu vou ver essa. Estamos 30% do jogo só.
Okay there. Yep.
Opa, tem um senhor.
Please, sir, please stop. Oh, I beg you. Oh, I'm in bad sorts here. I took a little jaunt and have managed to get myself hopelessly lost. I am staying in Strawberry. If you
Tô
could just
hospedado em
guide me
Slumberry,
back.
se puder me levar de volta.
Can't think of a good reason to say no.
Oh, thank you, sir. Shall I hop up there on the back with you?
Your legs work, don't they?
Well, yes, I suppose. It's just a little demeaning.
What are you doing out here anyway? Clearly ain't your natural habitat.
No, I'm just visiting. I'm from New York City, actually.
Sou de Nova York.
You don't say.
Vamos chegar em Slumberry.
Oh, yes. There was some talk at the country club about this burgeoning little resort town called Strawberry. So I thought it might be quite the trip to see what all the fuss was. Perhaps make a few investments while it was still undervalued. Turns out I was made the fool.
Not enjoying it, then?
It's a town of splinters, if you could call it much of a town at all. I'd hardly stepped off the carriage and I'd taken in the whole place. I suppose some might call it charming. Let me tell you, charm is not worth much these days. You show me a timber frame shack and I'll show you Broadway. And meanwhile you have this mayor, a quite intolerable blowhard. A little bit
Prefeito
woodwork, and he thinks this is a cultural hub. The man's completely deluded. Well, I should give him some credit.
Falando de
He must be
Slumberry,
quite the
senhor.
salesman. He did get me out here after all. More fool me. Now I'm tromping through the leaves in the muck with some cowboy. No offense.
Little taken.
I cannot possibly follow you at this pace.
Corre, meu filho.
Oh, I remember that. We're on the path. Oh, are we close to town? Howdy.
Slumberry. Olha a cidade lá, cara.
Sir, you've rescued me from the depths. You seem quite the resourceful sort, sir. If for some reason you plan to spend any time in Strawberry, you may want to look into that gabbing mayor. Something is definitely off with him.
Investigar o prefeito. Ok, vou me lembrar disso.
Keep that in mind. Hello. Maybe stay in town for now, huh?
A rock and a hard place. Thanks anyway.
New Yorkers. Jesus.
Slumberry. Primeira vez, galera, estamos entrando em Slumberry. Uma cidade bonita aqui, cara.
Nothing like work to set you straight, right?
Hey there, mister.
Hey, partner.
trying to keep my head above water. How it is.
Hello.
Mister? Hello.
Bem vindo.
Welcome, welcome.
Legal aqui o hotel, cara. Ó, um urso entalhado.
Thank you. Really.
I never thought I'd be so happy to see this Bo Peep.
Hi there, mister.
Hey.
We got a problem here.
Howdy.
Hey, fellas.
Mister?
Não há vagas.
These make my crotch rod flare like hell.
Real fine air.
Vamos dar uma volta na cidade para conhecer melhor.
Hello.
Howdy.
Greetings.
Hail Bang.
Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall make lots of peace.
Quem que é esse cara?
Hey, boy.
I want to talk to you today about the great miracle of holy passion.
Um pregador.
Yes, passion. Passion is what drives us all. It is what drives me. It drives me to serve you, to bring you the great news. The great news that you are saved today. If only you will follow me and do as I say, so we can spend.
Vou fazer muitas visitas aqui em Strawberry. Essa região ainda não explorei não.
Eternity together.
Hello, mister.
Hello, sir. Do you want to be saved?
Senhor quer ser salvo?
Hey.
Yes. Desperately.
Well, that's wonderful news. You are. That's really all there is to it.
É, dá. Você tá com a Bíblia
Just
na
do
mão?
more good things and less bad ones, and we can be together for all of eternity.
You and me?
Yes.
Você e eu?
Forever? Great.
Referendo.
Yep.
Rejoice! For you are saved.
Não é diferente do referendo suosso.
Together we shall light up paradise.
Doctor? Tem doutor?
Yes, a great light that shines from within about the great glories of life. Yes, glories that I embody through my relentless passion.
You don't seem to recall hearing mention of that.
Well,
Hey, friend.
friend?
Cadê o prefeito daqui?
Hello, sirs.
How do you do?
Vamos fazer essa missão do Mike.
I will put you under my heels if you don't
say, manners cost nothing.
I know.
Vamos ver o vendedor aqui, quem que é.
Good to have you, mister. Have a look. Now, if you really want to impress the mayor here, I'd pick up some grooming supplies for yourself and a couple of things by the door for your horse. You'll be turning heads. It's got everything you need.
It should be good.
Apparently, those Blackwater robbers are still on loose. They got that whole town.
Legal, legal, legal.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Que isso? Não mostra a hora atual.
If it were up to me, I would have planted my shop
Legal,
right where
cara.
the jailhouse is. Everyone
Ah, eu já
sees
tenho,
me
né?
and I see everyone else. Folks come in for that all the time. Good.
Café em boa.
Business done. Good then.
Come on, boy.
Vamos ver o gabinete do xerife aqui. Bem-aventurados os
Hello,
irmãos.
sir. I've come from Blackwater.
Eu venho de Blackwater.
I'm on the trail of a dangerous
Estou no rastro de
gang.
uma gangue perigosa.
Tom O'Driscoll. Heard you
Com
had
outro
some sort of
risco.
incident.
Ouvi dizer que vocês tiveram um incidente.
I was just wondering if I could get a description.
Well, they weren't friends. They
Bom,
got in a
eles não
fight,
eram
two
amigos.
men got killed. Now, one of them's an
Dois
idiot, the
morreram.
other's some kind of dumb mix, so maybe them's your boys. You can look right enough.
Ó, o xerife local.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Obrigado, xerife.
Let me out of here, you maggots!
No, we're done here. Just get the hell out. I'm gonna give you one more chance to get smart and walk on out of here.
Ah, já tá cara de poucos amigos, xerife.
Arthur! Arthur!
Vou estilizar.
Hello, friend.
Ei,
Had a good time, did you?
You going to get me out of here?
I ain't decided yet.
Real funny.
Oh, I ain't joking, cowpoke. I heard so much bluster out of your
Evitando a
mouth
ladainha
these
saindo
last
dessa
6
boca nos
months.
últimos 6 meses.
Now, I got an opportunity
Agora eu
to
consegui a
watch
chance de
you
ver
be silent.
silenciado.
You gotta do something.
É o grande erro libertar o Michael Bell.
I always looked up to you, Arthur.
Eu
Oh, that's
sempre
your
te
first
melhor.
mistake. Listen, there's one little problem. There's only one of me, and there's a whole
Só apenas um
town
e tem uma
full of
cidade
people
cheia de gente.
wanting to see you swing.
You got to do something, Arthur. This wall just needs some good forcing. You got any dynamite?
All right, take this son of a bitch down.
That's how you want to do it?
Yes.
Já que a gente,
Hook that over the bars. See if you can
já que a
pull
gente
them off.
esperou aqui, vamos lá.
What a modern disaster this is gonna be.
Just pull that lever. Come on.
Let's get out of here, come on.
Já começou o tiroteio.
He wasn't no Driscoll.
Que confusão!
Don't go that way. Let's get the hell out of here.
I got some unfinished business. Trust me, Morgan.
Trust you? You have finally lost your damn mind.
I'm moving.
Goddamn maniac. I should have left you to hang.
Nossa, o Mike é doido.
Morgan, what do you want to do?
Tá junto nessa, tem que acabar com vida. Nem você, Michael.
I'll kill this whole town if I have to.
We should be long gone by now.
They got something of
Nossa.
mine I ain't leaving without. I gave you a chance. I don't go down that easy. Keep shooting. Don't give up on me now. You're dead now. Come on, let's clear them out.
Isso, Arthur.
More bastards. Shoot them again. Who else wants to step up?
Mike aqui é doente, é?
You always was a letdown, you fat sack of crap. Excuse me a minute, Arthur. Hello, Maddie.
Olá, Maddie. Nossa, cara.
Something of mine. Take my guns.
As pistolas no Micah.
And I'll show the rest of this town. You have really lost it this time. Put this son of a bitch with us. Come on, this way. Yeah? Who wants to see me hang? Where are you going now? You want to get out of here, don't you? Finish these bastards! Get ready to die, you son of a bitch!
Confusão na cidade, velho. Nossa, verdadeira zona de guerra. O Micah fez
See the
aqui.
horses? Come on, follow me! Yeah! Reckon it's time we got out of here, Morgan. Now you want to get out of here? Damn it! How many of these sons of bitches are there? Keep hiding, Morgan! I don't have much choice! More of them!
Nossa.
Join the party, boys! Ah, they just ain't giving up, are
Verdadeira caça às bruxas. Caraca, velho. O Micah é doido.
Let's get out of here before we get any more on our tail. That was some good shooting, Morgan.
Mesmo atirar
I
morto.
gotta hand it to you. What the? Hell was that you pulled back there? Gotta be wild, all right. Wild? Making a house call?
Fazer uma pisa no
in
meio
the
daquilo.
middle of all that?
Tudo.
Ain't much I care about more than those guns. That much is clear.
Isso tá bem
Who
claro.
was that fella?
Quem era aquele sujeito? O Magrão? A gente andou junto por um tempo.
Job down south. Didn't end well.
Fogo no sul, que não
I
acabou
saw
bem.
how goddamn ended. He was gonna let me hang. I'm starting to wish I had. And you owe Lenny
E você
too.
também deve ao
He
Lenny.
hadn't found us in time. Yes, you will
Se ele não tivesse achado a gente, mano.
Yeah, well,
Com medo.
you're lucky
Você
Dutch
tem
has
sorte do
got your
Dutch
back.
estar do seu lado por alguma razão. Tá vindo temporal ainda por cima. Caraca,
We
escapou.
finally lost him. I hope so. I'm giving you a holster.
Dar
My way of
pouco.
saying thank you. And
Como
thank
agradecimento. E
you.
obrigado a
There I
você.
was, having a dull day only for you. To liven it up by letting me
Eu
help
pude
you
animar ele
shut up
atirando em
half
metade
the
da
town. You're a
cena.
funny fella, Arthur. Real
É
funny.
um sujeito engraçado, muito
Why you act
engraçado.
all sour all the time?
Porque você tem uma...
Funny at all. So why you gotta act
Nada.
like the court
Por que quer
justice?
vangar bobo da cor?
Sorry,
Certo.
but we're family
Mas a
now,
gente
Arthur.
é família agora, Arthur.
You and me. Sons of Dutch. Makes us brothers.
Isso faz da gente irmãos. Ah, sei.
Brothers make mistakes. I'm heading back to my little camp around back of Strawberry. Come see
Vai
me.
voltar pro acampamento da
Maybe I
gente?
can make things up to you.
You ain't heading back to
Primeira.
Dutch?
Então não vai voltar.
Bad boy, Arthur.
Não, eu me comportei mal, Arthur. Vou falar com o Dante até que possa levar uma oferta de paz.
Bye now. Yeah.
Até mais. É, a recepção em Stromberg foi das melhores, né, galera? Agora a gente é procurado aqui por toda a cidade. A cidade entrará em estado de defesa. Nossa, a recompensa $85. Fato real.
Yep.
O que tem assim que tá procurando?
I hope you ain't looking for gold, partner. I ain't seen so much as a fleck round here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, let the wolf see the rabbit.
Well, good luck to you.
Vamos ver se ele vai achar outro.
It sure looks like another pile of shit crumbs, don't it? Let's give it some of the magic touch. Come on. Yeah. Something. Anything. I'll take a cigarette butt at this point.
Vou roubar ele.
I'm being nice to you, so be nice to me. Wait a damn second. Look at this. Oh, who's got gold? Who's got gold? Woo!
Aham, achou ouro.
Look at this, baby. Wait till Tech sees this. Oh, the look on his face.
Be a man about this.
Help! I need some help! It cut me loose.
Cadê o ouro?
This is very kind of you.
What in the name of...
Let's go, boy.
Matei ele.
There we go.
Ah, não queria matar ele, cara, mas ele veio por cima.
Yep.
10 e 4. Cranberry. Legal a cidade, hein, galera. Pô, foi um intenso tiroteio.
Slow up. Yeah.
Vamos passar um tempo aqui no acampamento agora, o resto dessa gameplay.
Hi, Tilly.
Tigelinho ensopado, vou comer um pouco. Com fome.
In a field, someplace. My mamas were in Lincolnshire, my daddies were outside of Rotterdam. At least that's what they told me. The modern world is ugly, but the old world
O mundo moderno.
Our job is to make a better world for ourselves. Not go backward, but go forward with hope and dreams. Seriously.
Opa, tá tendo canção aqui perto. As mulheres estão cantando.
I wouldn't marry a school marm, I'll tell you the reason why. Her neck's so long and stringy, I'm afraid she'll never die. I wouldn't marry Gershon's girl, I'll tell you the reason why. She went and shit in the bread tray and called it pumpkin pie.
Mrs. Adler?
Hi, Arthur.
Madam, you can do better than that.
Yes? Hello?
Don't worry, I'm just playing with you.
Yeah, real funny.
Hello, ladies.
Hi there, Arthur. Hi.
O Xavier canta muito, hein, com sua viola.
Who's up for playing poker?
Oh, I'm game.
Vamos jogar um poker.
I'd rather play for cigarettes.
Vamos lá, pessoal. Ô, Zeia.
You won't be taking this personally, will you? I hate to see emotions get in the way of business. check. This will do.
How you doing, keeping? Sorry for interrupting.
Dá um intervalo de descanso aqui.
I can't stand much longer over there. I mean, I love the girls, but my lord, they complain a lot. I mean, I've known worse than this. I was born into worse than this. Most of us grew up hungry
Você tem full house.
and alone, one way or another.
That's all I got.
And here, we usually got food, and we usually ain't scared. I mean, sometimes.
Well.
And we ain't never alone.
Not much of an
Not
advantage.
here. Quite the opposite. So I'm done with the whining. I know we had a scene in the mountains, but we're over that. It's time to cheer
No,
up.
thank you.
All of you.
Well, what
Passagem.
do we have here?
There.
Then fine.
Ganhei! Haha! Senhor Strauss.
Yes.
Valeu, negociar com você, Senhor Strauss.
I always feel like the odds are especially stacked against me when I play with you, Strauss.
It is a game of pure chance, Mr. Morgan.
Yeah, I bet you can name the last 20 cards.
Well, of course, you have to pay some attention.
Fold.
I am calling you.
Check for me.
Ganhei do seu
A
Strauss.
small start.
Come on. Should you even be playing?
Oh, you're fun.
Here.
Opa, a cartinha agora deu pra mim, hein?
How about that?
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Here.
Long way to go on a whole heap of nothing.
Sorry, but time to take things up a little.
You want to work on your bluff.
You're bluffing. I can smell it a mile off.
Oh, you can just taste it.
Okay, well, it ain't much. Oh, that's a decent hand.
Okay. It's not luck when you play for it.
Ah não, ele ganhou, desgraçado, Lê. Puta que pariu.
Blackwater job's still all over the newspapers.
Okay. What you so scared of?
Check.
Just a little wager.
What's
I
that?
fold.
Allowance from your mama?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh.
Something is wrong here.
Got heart to still be it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
I'll check. At least it's something.
Come on, ain't that much to think about.
Sentem o as como carta mais alta.
No.
Let's start with this. Huh. Uh-huh. Not bad, I guess.
Ué, é difícil ganhar aqui no poker, cara.
I've come back.
Well, shit, can I borrow That'll do.
I reckon you're sitting on something big. I'm a call. I'm a play slow.
Huh. Ah! Folding again. Why are you
Senhor
leaving
Strauss.
me? Check.
You're a pretty dull player.
Someone's got the fear.
Don't be too scared now.
Call.
Okay.
Cast your eyes on this.
No. This is ridiculous.
Good joke, huh?
Oh, that's fair enough.
Yes! This is what I was waiting for.
Quicker decidiu o vencedor.
That
Tá porra.
Thomas Downs is an unfortunate case, Arthur, but he borrowed the money.
No.
Invest, risk, and reward. Okay, things are turning around.
That's it?
I'll check.
Check.
All right, just this.
Come on. Should you even be playing?
Nah.
Okay. Don't mind if I do.
We deserve a little
Tem um
recreation.
negócio que dá sorte. Nem sei o que é.
That's all you got for us?
Come on, see ya.
I'll check. I'm just here for fun, all right?
Nah, fold.
How about this?
Not much of a risk taker, are you? How about this?
Starting to doubt yourself, huh? Good. Mm-hmm. All right, then.
Mm-hmm.
This is bullshit. Why don't you go find some kids to play against? Ahem.
Deixa eu ver um negócio aqui, galera, rapidão.
This better be worth the wait.
Vamos ver aqui.
Just a little.
The hell is that?
Huh.
Vamos lá.
Let's start with this.
See ya.
Here, let me catch your eye.
Well, this ain't good for me then.
Don't mind me.
I'll go all in. Bullshit.
You sure you up to
Bullshit.
this? Are you seeing this? And here it is.
All right, yes! All mine!
Nossa, o Pierce ganhou do Lenny.
Well, here goes. That was not my intention.
I'll take anything.
I'm ruined.
All right, until next time.
Senhor Strauss. Perdeu, saiu do jogo.
If we had... Okay.
Check.
Nah.
Nah.
I know. It ain't too exciting. I reckon I'll go all in. There you go.
Almost had it.
Hey!
Yeah!
Had a bad feeling, too.
Yeah. Okay. Finally.
All right, I'll give you that one.
Check. You play it safe, huh?
That'll do. Shoot! You keep folding, how am I gonna get your money?
I'll see you.
I'll check. Get your hankies, fellas.
There. Nothing.
All right.
Well, I guess I ain't beating that.
Ah, que merda.
Well.
I'll see you.
Call. Nah, I fold.
I'm just here for fun, all right? How about this?
I say bluff. You're bluffing. Well, what do we have? I thought I had it.
Uh-huh.
Can't believe this shit.
Ha! A little goes a long
I'm afraid I got matters to attend to.
Existe, vambora.
All right.
Got room here for you, Arthur.
Vamos dormir aqui, galera, passar o dia.
Good morning, Arthur. You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do. Oh, sorry, Dutch.
Hi there.
Get up now.
What's going on?
You were snoring, that's all.
Please, let me go back to sleep.
Good morning.
My dear.
Wake up, Molly.
Vamos ver o que a Molly fala.
We
É,
do
hoje
some
curtimos
good
Trumber,
reading.
galera.
What's your problem with me?
I'm only joking with you.
Strange sense of humor you've got. Will you leave me alone?
Morning. Hey. Sorry, you all right?
How are you? All good. You know me.
My lady?
Morning, Arthur.
What are y'all up on me for? When are you gonna get over this? I'm just gonna ignore you.
Cara, eles pensaram em tudo quando fizeram esse jogo, né? Até a reação dos NPC.
Like the waves of the bay of the Biscay, I began to tumble and roar.
Aí fora.
My face was as red as a lobster. I fell and broke my
Come on,
poor
stop
nostril.
sleeping.
What? I'm tired, Arthur.
Don't worry, I'm just playing with you.
I gotta sleep, Arthur.
don't you sit a while, Arthur?
Whisky.
You just leave me alone now, all right?
There she is.
Arthur.
Vamos ver o que o Arthur registrou mais no diário. Esse sujeito com quem eu conversei está na estação que limite-se. Poderia conseguir um dinheiro decente na fantasia.
There he is. My favorite son. The best man amongst us. You okay, Arthur?
Never better.
Me neither. Me neither. This Mr. Miller is a hell of a writer. Like a modern-day Elijah.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Okay, Arthur.
Morning, Arthur.
Morning to you.
Quem que é essa aqui? Será que é a esposa do Oséia? Vamos lá para Valentine pagar a recompensa.
Gonna join me here, Arthur?
You okay?
Good morning, Arthur.
Room by the fire here,
Hey.
Mr. Morgan. Watch yourself, Lenny. There he is.
Fire's good and hot, Mr. Morgan.
You been on the rum again?
This is a bit tight.
Come on, you can do better than that.
I would have thought one was enough.
Take it easy, I ain't serious.
Yeah, I know your games by now.
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Yes, yes. Appreciate a bit more space here.
I'm sorry, don't mind me.
Well, sometimes it's hard to tell.
Damn it, Pearson.
Tomar um cafezinho.
Come on now, Pearson.
Could use a little more room here.
Oh, John was looking for you, Arthur. He's over by the tree behind the campfire.
He was? Okay, thank you, Miss Grimshaw. Well, I should get back to it.
Okay.
Careful.
Vamos pra Valentine. Valentine é a cidade mais visita. Vamos pagar nossa recompensa aqui que nós foi na Slumberry. Depois nós vai. No próximo episódio eu vou me aventurar por essas redondezas.
If you got a problem, you best spit it out.
Jesus!
Nice to see you again, sir. Happy to help you start over. You have a good one.
Vamos lá.
Go on and move. You got a problem? Why you begging me, eh?
Howdy. Hey, Trouble, how's that short leash I got you? Suits you.
Hello. Sure is some hard country around these parts.
Vamos por Slumberry aqui. A gente tem que cobrar esse cara aqui primeiro, Thomas Towns. Mas primeiro eu vou por Slumberry aqui.
What the hell's wrong? Stay away from my woman, you son of a bitch!
You two really fighting over a lady? Give it up.
Think I'll have another drink and then go see your wife.
Nossa, briga de salão.
Done. Welcome to Smithfield.
Morning. So that's what you do, huh? Sleep with another man's woman.
I ain't to be made a fool of.
Well, you made a fool out of him, maybe I'll make a fool out of you.
You're just like a fly buzzing around, ain't you?
Hey there, feller. You see, they hanged that woman that's been killing Johns around the state. Well, she posed as a paid woman, took men up, sliced them up into ribbons. Happy to say that those types of women have nothing to do with this establishment. Yes, sir.
What's it to be?
Hey, fellers.
Partner?
Mister?
Any trouble last night?
Can I get food, please?
cometer uma loucura, mas...
I imagine you got your work cut out for you around here. So, please, don't let me keep you.
Bye.
They'll give anyone a badge these days, won't they?
You got any idea who you're flapping your gums at?
Calm down.
Don't thumb your nose at me. Ain't wise.
Another day in Valentine.
How did we end up in this hellhole?
It ain't that bad. Excuse me there. Weapon away, if you please.
Xerife aqui tá pagando de machão.
Don't see too much blood in here.
Oh, you better not be one of those.
Thanks, partner.
I'm not one to jump in, but I'm here.
Yeah. Hey there!
Hello there.
What's your problem?
Vamos terminar de cobrar aqui o Thomas Towns, eu acho. Vamos terminar de cobrar ele aqui, aí termina essa live. Essa é a gameplay de hoje, galera.
Oh, Mr. Downs! Thomas Downs! 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 Where are you?
Downs.
Thomas Downs!
Será que é aqui? Fazenda de Thomas Towns. Galera, essa missão, lembrem-se dessa cena, vocês sabem por quê, né? Lembre-se bem dessa cena.
Downs! Downs! Where are you? Oh, Mr. Downs! Downs! Thomas Downs! Downs! Where are you? Oh, Mr. Downs! Come on, boy.
Thomas Downs aqui, ó.
Mr. Thomas Downs?
Yep, that's me.
You owe me money.
Oh, no, I'm...
We ain't a charity, Mr. Downs. Oh, come here, you maggot.
Please, sir. I'll...
Really?
Oh!
Threaten me, would you?
Please. I have a family, sir. Please.
I don't care about your family.
Thomas Downs.
Mr. Strauss seems so understanding.
Money.
Thomas Downs. Aí, ó, essa cena,
You
presta
borrowed
atenção.
money from my business partner, Herr Strauss. You owe him
Herr Strauss.
the money. He wants it back.
Good
What's
man.
not to understand? Where's our money?
I don't have it.
Sell your place.
We already owe more than it's worth.
Then sell
Já
your
que devemos mais do
wife,
que
or
vale.
your family,
Senhor
or
Downs.
something. We ain't your idea of charity. Is that clear?
Ficou claro?
Thomas!
What are you looking at?
Thomas!
I said what you looking at, woman.
My husband isn't
Disse
well.
por que você tá olhando?
If we could just have more.
Like I said, we ain't nobody's
Como eu disse, a
idea
gente não
of
faz
charity. Get
caridade.
us the money.
Arrume meu dinheiro. Thomas Downs. É, cobramos a dívida, mas vocês viram, né? Cuspiu na nossa cara o sangue. Isso aí vai trazer. Eu vou contar spoiler, vai trazer uma doença pro Arthur no futuro. Tuberculose, eu acho que vai trazer. É triste, mas é a realidade. Olha lá o Arthur. Essa cena aí, ó. Ele contraiu a doença do Mr. Jones.
Yeah.
Leopold Strauss.
Morning.
Okay there?
Ah, how
E
did
aí,
you
Sr.
get
Strauss?
on?
Ah,
Not
como
so
você saiu?
good. He's almost dead.
Ele
They
quase
seem more or
tá
less
morto.
destitute.
E
You were
ele
a
parece
fool
estar
for
passando
lending
por
them the money.
uma turista pra
People
emprestar
who
dinheiro
aren't
pra eles.
desperate
Não,
don't
as
seem so
pessoas.
interested in my propositions.
Of course.
Of course. Thomas Downs. Agiotagem e outros pecados, parte 3.
How are you, Mr. Morgan?
Why are you looking so shifty?
I'm not.
Okay. Guess we'll find out. Hi, Jack.
Hiya, Arthur.
I spied
Well
there,
done,
maiden
Arthur.
so
You
lovely.
found the Irish Terrier.
And gently to her I did say,
He's just a
she
younger
pulled
version
up
of
her
you.
Garments, so scared
Please
it
don't
would
say that to
soil.
me, Dutch.
My outlaw Phoenix
Oh, it's
went
true.
boring for oil.
It's true.
I hadn't been born 6 inches or more.
Eita,
The
porra, que
oil
houve?
my auger so freely did pour. She wiggled her ass and looked up and smiled.
My mentor,
Said, "Bear down,
Dutch
your
Vander.
auger, for you
Am
know
I sensing ideas above your station again?
4 weeks or 10 days.
Olha os raios lá, se viu, galera? Eita porra. Vamos explorar essa região aqui de Snowberry. Vai chover, hein?
Yep.
Vou tomar uma chuva.
Hey, partner. Yep.
Já não vai acabar essa live aqui, cara. Ai, ai. É 2h30 de gameplay já. Porque nós não foi nessa região ainda, né? Da hora aqui, hein? Olha, uma região de lenhadores, cara. Que negócio é esse? Olha.
Hey there, mister.
Partner?
Got any idea what time it is?
I got no clue.
1h07.
Hey there!
Hey there, partner.
Hey there.
Nossa, eles estão arrancando árvores aqui, ó, da hora. Uau! Árvore arrancaram mesmo.
Hey there.
Can I
Olá.
help you?
Just taking a look.
Posso ajudar? Só tô dando uma
We're
olhada.
with the Appleseed Timber
Somos uma
Company.
madeireira Appleseed.
Head foreman.
Chefe
They're
capataz.
getting started on this site.
Ainda
but
estamos
we should
começando
have
nesse
some
lugar.
Fine Big Valley lumber for sale.
Madeira
very
de
soon
Big
if you're
Valley,
interested.
pra se estiver
Keep
interessado.
that in mind.
Vou me
We should
lembrar
be
disso.
further along by now, but
Já
what can
deveríamos
you
estar
do?
mais o que podemos
Look at
fazer.
these dopes.
Olha só essas
Not a
panacas.
brain between them. Listen,
Nenhum deles.
you
Ah,
got any supplies for
escute.
sale?
Você tem suprimentos para
Medicine.
vender?
Starting to
Comidas,
run low.
remédios.
I can't spare anyone to go into town. Not the
Não
way
tem como
things are
mandar alguém
going.
até a cidade, não do jeito
Be
que as
happy to
coisas
pay
não.
premium for 'em.
Você é o chefe capataz, então, né? Eu vou vender, eu quero ganhar uma grana.
Appreciate it. That should help keep us going.
Venda mantimentos ao capataz para lucrar. Madeireira Epsilon.
I'm leaving. Don't work too hard.
There ain't much danger of that with this bunch, my friend.
Ah, madeireira Epsilon. Uma madeireira temporária aqui. Ah. Oh, e esse ouro aqui, eu não compro?
Very good. We can really use these.
Obrigado. Capataz.
Hey, you. Numbskull.
Hey, who do you think you're talking to? Excellent. That was very helpful.
Ah, legal, cara, isso aqui. Madeireira Epsilon.
Hi there, mister.
Mister?
Opa, outra madeira.
You, mister, excuse me. Hey there, mister. Hello there.
Aqui esse lugar, galera, conforme você passa na madeireira, o tempo vai passando em tempo real aqui, como se fosse, como eu posso explicar, Vamos pra Strawberry de novo.
Hey there.
Vamos dormir em Strawberry, conhecer o prefeito aqui pra ver. Ah, tem uma missão aqui ainda. Que é isso aqui?
Please, quick! You gotta get this off me. I'm going numb.
You all right? Oh, this looks bad.
No, I'm not all right. It's real bad. Help me now, or I'm done for. Keep at it. Let's get loose. Oh, God, you did it. Praise
Oh,
Jesus.
você conseguiu, Jesus amado.
Gotta grab something for the blood. Thank you. Oh, I was done for. You saved me. Thank
Tá na
you.
armadilha de urso, hein, cara?
Take something from my back for the trouble, though. I'm gonna take a minute now.
Here, drink this for the pain.
Oh, God, yes. My leg feels like it's on fire. And to think, I almost didn't bring the trap.
Let's go, boy.
É, caiu na própria armadilha de caçador. Acontece nas piores oportunidades, né?
You're all right, boy.
É legal isso, um barrel aqui, galera.
Nice to see you.
Os cômodos.
I need a bath. That's okay. Can you organize?
All right, head on over when you're ready.
Legal o hotel aqui.
How about some assistance?
Sure, why not?
Sure, no, right.
Great. Now just sit back and relax. You let me know if the water gets cold.
Ué, não tem opção sem conversa fiada.
Whenever you're done, just say the word.
Been a while since I've been able to relax like this.
Oh, you don't say.
Gotta take a break sometime. Life's too short.
Absolutely.
My dog Copper used to take baths with me when he was alive.
Oh gosh, you're making me blush.
You know, naked small talk isn't as easy as you might think.
You are funny.
So what do you do when you ain't bathing folk?
Oh, I don't know. I'm learning to read lately.
Esse banho tá demorando, né,
Does
Arthur?
that feel good? I sure hope I see you again.
Opa, carta de cigarro aqui.
I got an open room if you'd like another night.
Vamos dormir e desligar essa parte aqui. Ficar dormindo em Strawberry. Opa, tem dinheiro aqui. Opa, que você quer que é hospedagem no prefeito? Ó, descobri muita coisa, hein? Aqui é a nossa hospedagem aí, gostei, hein? Ah, tem coisa dos outros aqui, eu sabia. Até de manhã, né? Bem meia-noite nós tá passando Strawberry aqui. Uma vez quando nós estamos.
You look fine up. Feeling fresh, I hope?
Vamos ver o que você tem aqui atrás.
You have a good day.
Thanks, mister.
Ah, esse é o prefeito.
Welcome to our fair town. You know, there's something about this place. Hey there, kitty. Anyway, can't put my finger on it.
Conduct yourself well, sir.
You pathetic little fool.
I will not be spoken to like that in my town.
I'm only kidding around. Shoot, whiskers.
Morning, partner.
Hi to you, too.
Deixa eu. Bom, galera, hoje eu vou desligar por aqui, tá bom, de Red Dead 2. A gente salvou o jogo. Agiotagem e outros pecados, parte 3. A gente vai continuar na próxima parte. Viajar aqui para as montanhas gélidas da parte de... Daqui onde nós estava mesmo, para cobrar a dívida desse cara aqui chamado... Fraco Hernandes. A gente vai continuar da onde parou. E depois talvez a gente vai conhecer o amor de Mary Linton, o amor do Arthur Morgan. Beleza? A gente vai continuar fazendo essas aventuras aqui. Então é isso aí, galera. A gente continua na próxima parte aqui. As missões ainda aqui, ó. Eu quero explorar toda essa região aqui de Strawberry. Nova região aqui que nós tá conhecendo. E é isso aí. Então é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado.